Okay, that looks dumb. I think I have too many things. Okay, that's good. That was so good. Hi guys, it's Shay
and Fiona,
and today we're doing another what we crocheted in a month video.
This one is for May.
So today we're going to be showing you everything that we made in May, preparing for our market season,
which starts tomorrow. For us, not for you.
We are so excited, and we probably won't be vlogging this market because it's our first one and it's super busy, but we probably will eventually vlog a market for you, and we'll also do like a after market video about our sales and everything. So stay tuned for that, and let's get started. So first we're going to do a few things that aren't like stuffed animals. So the first thing I made was all of these freezy holders. They're in their little product container right now because we have a market tomorrow, but yep, these are all the different colors, and last year these sold really good, so I'm hoping that they do the same this year. Also, I have a tutorial for the freezy holders on our YouTube channel, so make sure to go watch that if you want to make them.
Alright, so I made some stress balls this month. We have mostly rainbow ones with like a multicolored yarn, but I made some of these with some extra fluffy yarn we had. There's more in a basket. I have a tutorial for this, and it's from a few weeks ago, so you should go check it out.
And then the only thing I made this month that wasn't a stuffy was these light blue scrunchies. I love this color, and I needed one more color to fill up my display, so I chose this one.
The first thing that I made in May, I actually started in April, and it's this snake. It's like gray, and it's like multicolored and really long, and you can wear it around your neck if you want. So yeah, this guy is one of my favorites.
So something new that I tried making this month was these stuffies.
Stand up.
So I'll show you one of them up close. It's these triceratops. I'll link the pattern in the description, but I found that this pattern was super quick and easy. You would probably have seen me make a lot of these if you watched my week of crochet video, because I made a ton of these in that video. And then I also have two more, but they're just duplicate colors, so I didn't show them. So next up we have a product that we both made. Leggy frogs.
These cute little guys.
So mine are just in this thing, but we're gonna mix Fiona's in after.
I have more than this too, it's just I didn't bring them all.
I made a bunch of different colors. I really like the pink ones for some reason. I just feel like they're really cute, but kind of a weird color for a frog. Oh well. And we never sold these at a market before, so I'm interested to see how they sell.
This is the next product I have. They need to have their eyeballs. I wrapped the yarn around the like backs of the eyes to conceal them with some hot glue. So I haven't done that yet. I need to do it tonight. And yes, they do have two different size eyes because I was running low, but I think they both look really cute and unique. So yeah, I made these fluffy froggies to go with my mini ones I have from the last time we made one of these videos.
Go watch what we made in April. So the next product that I made are these two, this yellow and this blue dinosaur. I don't know what kind this is. It might be a brontosaurus, it might be a stegosaurus.
It's a stegosaurus without the spines.
This one's slightly bigger because the velvet yarn was thicker, but they're the exact same pattern.
That is not a stegosaurus.
And I think they're really cute, and they're pretty easy to make, but they do take a bit of time. And I'll link this pattern down below too. So the next product that I have that I made in May was these two velvet whales.
I got one too. I have this mini whale.
So I made these when I was running low on my 12mm eyes. Well, I definitely made this one then. And I think they're both really cute, and these sold good last year, so I'm hoping they do the same this year.
And this one, I had a purple one and a teal one last month, but the purple one sold to one of my family members. She was looking for products for some kids, and so I made this one to replace the purple one, and I really like the color, pink and cute.
Okay, I think this is like my second last product. I made these two yellow chicks/ducks.
I love those.
I will link this pattern down below. It's not mine, but I love it. And if you've seen our last one of these, you'd know that I made the little white chicks in April, and that was using this exact same pattern. It just was using the velvet yarn, so they're much smaller. But I love these guys, and I'm excited to see how they sell.
Okay, so the next thing I made was for the Pride Festival that we have next weekend. And happy Pride Month, by the way, because it is June now. And this is a Pride bee I made. He's so cute and so colorful, and I made this pattern myself, so if you want to see a tutorial, let me know. Okay, so then I went on a bit of a cow spree, as you're gonna see. So the first cow I made was this strawberry cow. I will link the pattern for you guys. The tutorial was really easy actually, and as you can see, she has a little heart as one of the patches. There's also a patch on the back.
So cute!
I know. And then I decided I wanted to make another one. So I made a blueberry cow, also with a heart.
Blueberry.
I know, isn't it adorable? And then that's the back. Oh, I just love it so much. And then I made this original cow as well, which her nose is not on yet, her nostrils, because I ran out of black yarn.
Fiona!
I know. So I'm gonna make that tonight, but she is gonna have nostrils.
She always makes things at the last minute right before the markets. It drives me
I like time pressure.
It drives me bonkers.
But yeah, those are my cows.
On to the last product we made. Okay, we both made this last product. Here it is.
There are these mini octopuses, and I did make the pattern, so maybe someday I will share it with you guys. They are super quick and easy, just like the stress balls. They actually follow a really similar pattern.
Yeah, just the end part is different because you have to make the little frill.
Yeah, so I made these yellow and pink ones while I was making my stress balls. So I made a bunch of multicolored ones.
Wham!
I hope to get more of these once I get some other colors of yarn, because we're running pretty low right now.
But they are a good project to make when you only have small balls.
Small balls, yeah. Small balls of yarn. Keep it PG over here.
So that's our last product.
Yeah, these are the last thing.
So guys, that concludes our What We Crocheted in May.
We really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and come back next week for a tutorial or something along those lines. It will definitely be crochet related.
It will definitely be Fiona's video, because this is my second week in a row, but not complaining, I love doing it. Also, stay tuned for more market content, because like I said before, we will be doing a vlog, come to the market with us, and then a post-market video as well. If there's any products that you saw that you wanted a pattern to and we didn't link it, then just let us know in the comments and we'll send you the link. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.
We love you.
Bye. Bye.